Oh my god, it's so scary!
Are you okay? Yep.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of our Interns Tried. Today we'll be challenging our interns to rock climbing at Climb at T3, except that they have no idea what they're in for. Look at them chatting so happily. Okay, let's go and surprise them.
Hi, I'm Tiffany.
Hello, I'm Sean.
Hi, are you all excited for today?
So what are we doing today? I was only told to come down in my sports attire.
Yeah.
Any guesses?
I'm ready for a run, so...
Run? In this weather? Tiff, you ready to run or not?
Actually, I don't feel like running.
Okay, good for you, cause we are doing something new and exciting that's indoors.
Can race the sky train again.
It's not that, but it's exciting, promise. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. So as y'all can tell from the wall behind, you'll be rock climbing today. So this is the newly open wall, Climb at T3. Are you excited?
I can't remember the last time I rock climbed. Have you rock climbed before?
A long time ago, but I guess the answer is no.
Okay, no worries. We have instructor on site today. So his name is Dil. Hi,
Hello.
Dil.
Hi, my name is Dil. I'm from Climb at T3. Yeah, I'll be your instructor for today.
So I'll hand them over to you.
Okay.
Okay, good luck, guys.
Oh my god.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you guys okay? Are you guys ready?
He's ready, I'm not.
Allow me to share a little bit more about the Rock School, which is
Okay.
managing Climb at T3. Yeah, we actually first started 12 years ago at Bedok Community Centre, and our second outlet is at Tampines Hub, started 6 years ago. If you guys are ready, shall we get up and let's go?
Let's go.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's go
let's
this
go.
way.
Oh my god, it's so scary!
The higher it is, the safer it is to fall from.
The higher it is, the safer it is.
Yeah, I think this is good. You just let go both hands at the same time. Okay, I'll try to count at 3. So you let go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let go. Guys. Yeah, let go both hands at the same time. 1, 2, 3, let go. Yeah, then face the wall and just stand up both legs. Try to stand up on both legs. Yeah, after the safety briefing and the quick training, you feel a bit more confident now?
A little bit. Do you?
At least I feel safe. I mean, it was really scary trying to let go.
Let go.
Yeah, for the first fall, it gets a little bit scary, but if you want to try a couple of times, you'll be fine. Are you ready to meet your teammates?
Teammate? I thought he was my teammate.
No, they're behind you.
Oh my god.
Hi Linus! Hi May! They'll actually be helping you out today.
So we're not competing against them, right?
Maybe? We'll see.
Okay.
Let's go meet your teammates.
Okay.
Let's go over there. Okay, this is your teammate. It's me. Yeah, and Sean, your teammate Linus. Yeah.
Hello, I'm May and I'm 8 years old. I've been doing rock climbing for 2.5 years.
2.5 years, wow.
Oh.
Okay. What about you, Linus?
Hi, I'm Linus. I'm 12 years old and I've been climbing for 7 years.
Okay, anyway, May is from the developmental climbing team, and also for Linus is from the youth climbing team. Yeah, these two teams, they are trained competitively, okay, to go for climbing competitions. Yeah, the Rock School climbing team, right, inclusive of the youth team and the developmental team, they are actually one of the biggest and most established climbing team in Singapore. Now that you know your teams, shall we go for the challenge?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Challenge number 1. Alright, climbers, if you're ready, you can turn around now. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go!
Whoa! Go,
And count your
man!
teammate. Wow!
Let's go!
Doing well. Sean,
Oh my
catching
god,
up
you're
as
so
well.
much faster than him! And...
Wow!
Let's go!
Alright, let's go! Come back down now.
Oh my god! Oh my god,
If
you're
you want
not
a high
kidding
five, only then you're
High five, high five! Yeah!
Come on, cheer for your teammate. Come on, Linus.
Nice.
Oh my god, this is freaking tiring, guys.
Alright, looks like Team Linus and Sean make their way back down
my
first. Good job, guys. Can you count this way for? Alright, so anyway, good job to Team Linus and Sean. They managed to finish first. They get 1 point. Good job to me and Tiffany as well. Well done, guys.
It's okay, we win the next one.
Yeah, let's see another one after this, okay? We'll move on to challenge number 2. What we're going to do now is we're going to climb up the wall blindfolded and we're going to play charades after that. Okay, reach to the top, look at the 5 words that are on the piece of paper up there. Okay, when you come back down, you're going to act out those words and you only have 5 minutes to do it. Okay, at the end of 5 minutes, we'll see how many points you guys can collect.
I'm gonna make you be able to see.
Okay, make sure she looks cute at the same time too. May and Linus, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, Tiffany and Sean, when I say go, you're going to climb. Alright, 3, 2, 1, your 5 minutes starts now. Go!
Okay, let's pick up.
That's black. Okay. That's black.
Yeah.
This is that's
lower,
black
lower.
too.
Is this black?
Yes, that's black. No, that's not black. Wait, maybe you should move your left hand slightly more to the left.
Left hand up.
Okay.
Like just above your right hand.
This one?
Yeah.
That's black. That's black.
I see May
Stand up.
and Tiffany having a system in place.
You can do it, Tiffany. You already made it all the way up.
Spider, luggage, monkey.
Now you should stand up on
Alright, keep going, guys.
Do you remember?
Oh my god. Okay, I can start, right?
Alright, you can take out your blindfold now, Sean. Okay, you have to climb
Try and think what it's like. What does it do? Is there anything like ears or like skirt? Monkey?
You get 1 point.
Monkey?
You get 1 point.
immigration,
No, it's a
stamp,
different word.
passport,
Okay.
1 point.
aeroplane,
Second word.
take off, pilot,
3 words, that's good.
It's like
Second word.
Columns? Lines?
like
Climbing up in columns?
You get 1 more minute.
what? Is it like climbing the mountain or mountain?
Yeah.
Why can't I just climb there and look at the words?
No, you have to guess. Come on, keep going.
I'm really bad at guessing. 7? Oh, 8 legs.
no, it.
8 legs.
Okay, 10 seconds left.
Oh, no, this one.
Ah, Spider-Man.
8
3,
legs climbing
2,
up.
1. Alright, time's up. Well done, everyone.
Well done.
No, it's spider.
Oh, spider!
Alright, Sean and Tiffany, how was your first ever climbing experience today?
It was quite tiring.
But it was good fun. It was challenging.
Me and Linus, you guys have any few words for your partner for today?
You did a great job. I hope we can climb together next time.
Good job, Tiffany.
I want to say thank you for coming over today. If you guys are ever at the airport at Terminal 3, you can always drop by, maybe before your flight, and climb with us at Climb at T3. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys again, yeah? Bye-bye.
Bye.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of our Interns Tried.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell us in the comments below what you'd like to see our interns do next. It's time for us to go!
Bye!